Okay, we got one of these true freezers. Putting stuff in. Sorry guys, I got a mask on, so you can't hear me very well. But let me turn on the light. Okay. Customer complaint is the unit's noisy. So let's see what's going on here. I'm not gonna turn it on because I don't want to. I can see what's wrong right now. It's like just a loose fan blade, at least. We'll see. I don't know what got wrapped around it, but there's like some string stuff or something. Anyways, I'm amazed the maintenance guy here didn't tighten it up. It's weird. He said they couldn't figure it out, the owner and the maintenance guy. Job security for me. What a pain in the ass getting this thing out of here to replace the condenser fan motor. He's got oil or something leaking out of it. Something going on. I don't know if they tried oil in it or something or what. I don't know. But anyways, it's your standard 9-watt CW motor. Moral motor. And I'm going to replace it because it only has one of these little pins, and the pin's all boogered, and the fan's blades are kind of boogered. So I'll replace the motor and clean up the fan blade a little bit. Fan blades are right. It just has a little booger on that center pin. I'm going to use the outside pins on my motor, so that's a moot point. So fan blade I think looks good. Just clean it up a little bit. Clean the condenser while I'm at it. Condenser's kind of dirty. I'll give it a wash. kind of like this if you have enough shaft length. Put a washer, a 1/4 inch fender washer. This one's a 3/8 fender washer, that's why it's a little off. But a regular 1/4 inch washer, not a fender, excuse me. Stainless steel lock washer, an aircraft nut, and get double locking that way. That's pretty nice. Pulls down in the center real good. Okay. The only way to get this unit out of this thing is to take out the little pan in the back. The little pan just comes out with one little screw on the front. It just has a little screw. Sorry about that, guys. This is the little pan. Just that little screw. Just take that out. I'm bleeding everywhere. Anyways, yeah, that's the only way to get this unit out. Okay, that's up and going finally. I put the original fan blade on it. Don't ever do that when you got a loose fan blade. It was bent all the shit. I put it on and spinning all crappy. Oh, lucky I brought a fan blade with me. Anyways, the motor's good for 0.62 amps. Should be. Let's see if you can see it. Try. Anyways, trust me, it's good for 0.62. You can't see it anyways. On the right side up there. Anyways, my meter's got 0.2 on it, 0.02 on it. We're at 0.57. So basically I'm pulling 0.5455. So under my 0.62 is good. Fresh fan blade. And we're good to go. Hopefully. Just gotta put the little shroudy thingy on the side here. And there we go. Hang on. Let's see. You guys got zoomed by accident. Anyways. Okay. I got the light on, so hopefully that helps a little better. Get the amps out. Done. I want to just get all that pan. I cleaned that pan all up. I got to put the pan back in. But it really helps if you scrape. Use a screwdriver to scrape where the line is. I use a long screwdriver like this and scrape a line where these things go back in place. Always use a scratch. Always use a scratch something because the pin will just rub off, and then it makes it really easy to put things back in place. It's a really awesome chip. So, yeah, scratch where stuff goes and then you can put it back. It's so nice. Up and going. Getting cold. Getting frosty inside. Okay, frosty. Clean rear screen, remove, clean, wash, scrub, back on. Clean front screen.